Well, I'm in a 2002 F-150, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see this reservoir. This is your coolant reservoir. And on the side you should see a max line and a minimum line. So there's supposed to be a decent amount of air gap there. You don't want the system completely full. When working with these coolant systems, you want to make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, just because this system works under pressure and that liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to get onto you. And double check your owner's manual or good online sources as well that you're using the best type of coolant for your system. And also ideally want to match the same color and type that's already in here if you're able. Don't want to mix and match. But when you're ready, you can just unscrew this cap. Just unscrew it, set it off to the side, and then either straight from your diluted coolant jug or with the funnel, just fill as needed till you're around that max mark. Then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And at this point, I would probably start the vehicle and run it for a few minutes, and then check around where the reservoir is, where all the lines leading to it, around the radiator, all through the system to see if you see any coolant pooling anywhere in the engine bay or under the vehicle. If you do see liquid forming, I waited till that apart from, say, water condensation, because you should have a slight coloration to it. It should smell slightly sweet. You don't really want it on your skin until you feel it. It should feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.